friends, just a couple reminders for our number talk. As you were looking at this number, I want you to remember to think of any strategy you can to solve this problem. So your hand starts at here for a 0 when you have no strategies. And every strategy that you do mentally in your head, you will add a finger for each strategy, okay? And then when we get to share our strategies with each other, we don't raise our hand. I just look at you and I can see how many strategies you have, and I'll call on you. And as soon as I call on you, you can give me your strategy. Now, can you guys show me what we do when we have the same strategy as somebody else? Good. When we have the same strategy as somebody else, we're going to do this. So, you have 1 minute, hand to your chest. I want you to think of as many strategies that you can do to solve this problem. Caleb. What's
Number line.
Number line. Okay, Caleb, are you going to be able to talk me through each step of my number line? What do you want me to do first?
You said, oh yeah, make the line.
Make the number line. Okay. What would you like me to do next?
You put 1,123 at the
Which side? This side or this side?
that side.
This side?
And oh wait,
Oh, what did you notice?
I did it wrong.
Okay, well, do you know how to do it the right way? Okay, talk me through it.
You put it on the other side.
Why did you put it on the other side? Why is it not going to go down here?
Because we're subtracting.
We're subtracting, we're not adding, right? Okay, what's my next step?
We subtract by 50.
Okay, so did you break apart this number?
Yes.
Okay, so you took 59. Caleb, what did you break it up to?
I broke it up to a 20, a 30, 4, and a 5.
Okay. And so what am I taking away first out of these numbers?
The 20.
Okay. What does that give me?
1,103.
Okay.
And then subtract by 30.
Okay. What does that give me?
1,073.
Okay.
And then you'll add it by 4.
Add by 4.
I mean subtract by
Subtract 4. What does that give me?
1,060.
Mental math, give me a second. Do you want to call in a friend? Call in a friend. 1,069. Good. And then, Caleb, what's my last step?
You subtract it by 5.
Okay. And then what do I get with that?
1,604.
1,064. Very good. Awesome. Anybody else use that strategy? Good. A couple of you? Awesome. Alrighty, next. Let's see. Adriana, give me a strategy.
We can do algorithm.
Okay, can you talk me through that?
Put the 1,123 at the top.
Okay.
And 59 at the bottom. And then cross out 2 or the 3
Why am I crossing out the 3?
because it's not big enough and then you make it like a number.
Right, so if I have 3, can I take 9 away from that?
No.
No. So what is that going to change to?
13
How did you get 13?
on the 2.
So what am I going to do to the 2?
Cross that out.
Okay.
Change it to a 1.
Change it to a 1. Change that to a 13. Okay, now what?
Then you minus 9 from 13.
What does that give you?
4.
Okay. Then what?
Then cross out that one,
I cross out which one?
the 1 in the hundredths place,
This one? Okay.
and change the 1 in the tens place to an 11,
Why did you change that to an 11?
because you can't take 5 away from it,
You can't take 5 away from 1. Very good. Why not a 12?
because we already crossed it
Because you already took that one away. Okay, now what?
out. 5 minus 11 is 6.
11 minus 5.
Or 11
There you
minus
go.
1 is 6. And then 0,
So there's nothing here. So that's my place value.
and then 1.
Good. Anyone else? Yeah? Very good. Let's see. Another strategy. Jake.
I don't know if this one's gonna work, but the one where you would like take 3 away and then add 3.
Okay, you want to try it? Let's see it. Let's just see if we can make it work, because we know our answer looks pretty consistent over here, right? So let's see what we can do. Okay, Jake, you're going to have to talk me through this one, though, okay? Alrighty, what do you think I need to do?
Draw a line through the middle.
Through the middle of the problem? Yes? Like here? Okay, so I'm going to draw a line. Okay?
And then you can take 3 away from 3 away from 59.
So I'm taking 3 away from 59.
Wait. Adding 3.
Adding 3 to 59?
Subtracting. Wait.
Whatever you want.
subtracting
You want me to subtract 3? Okay. I'm going to do this in a different color so you guys can see what's happening.
3.
So what's happening now?
That would, it would be 50. It would be 56.
56? Okay.
And then on that one, you add 3 to get to 1,126.
Okay.
And then take away 4 from 56, which would be 52. And then you add 6, and then you add 4 to 6.
What does that give me?
1,130.
What type of number is this? A friendly number. Is that what you were trying to get to? Okay, continue.
And then take away 30 from there.
From here,
From 52. Which would
I
be
get a longer green line.
which would be 22
So minus 30,
minus 30
okay,
to get to
22.
and then add 30 on that one and do on 1,130 to get to 1,160.
Okay?
And then take away 4 from 22, which would be 18. And add 4 on 1,160 to get to 1,164.
What do you notice? Look at our answer. Look at this answer. What do you notice? Okay, so this is a great opportunity to talk about sometimes strategies we use for addition don't always work for subtraction, okay? Now, this strategy doesn't necessarily work for subtraction. Do you know why? Because no matter what you're doing over here, you're continuing, your numbers are continuing, this number is continuing to grow, even if this number is continuing to shrink. Okay, so you're trying to take away from here to get to 0, but every time you're adding to here. So your numbers are never going to actually meet up to where they're going to get to this answer. There is a strategy that works really well for subtraction. Do you want me to show you?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm going to erase yours, is that okay? So I can have room. Okay, so looking at this strategy, I do want to find some friendly numbers. But what we're going to do in this situation is, think about, I have 1,123, right? 1,123. I want to take this away from that. I want to take this away from that. So can you think of an easy way to take away this number from that? What do you think? Let's go back to up here. What did Caleb do? What did he do? You could turn the 50 to a 60. Do you want to try it that way?
Yeah.
Okay, let's see. Let's see if it works. So I'm going to change this 50 to a 60. How does that help you? Doesn't work, does it? Yeah, it doesn't work. I love that you guys are experiencing this because I think it's important to see. Remember we talked about failure at the beginning of the year? It's okay to fail because then we learn from our failures. Yes?
I think I know a way that the strategy that Jason said could work. So if we just had to normally subtract 60 from 1,123, and then since we added 60 to there, to 59, we have to minus another 1.
Okay, so since we added 1 here, and I'm going to do this in different colors so you can see it. Since we added 1 to our answer, when we get this, 3 minus 0 is 3. Do we still have to regroup here though?
Yes. Yes.
Yeah, so that turns into a 12. This turns into a 0. 12 minus 6 is 6. 0 minus 0 is 0. And then 1. Now notice our difference. But what did we do when we started? We added 1, so now what do we have to do to our answer?
Take away 1. No, add 1.
We have to put it back, right? The same number that we added here, we have to add it to our answer. Oops, 64. Do you see that?
Yes.
Okay, one other strategy I want to show you real quickly, I love this other strategy, is if I have, let's think about subtraction this way, right? I have 59. 59 plus something is going to get me 1,123. I've turned this whole problem into a what? Addition problem. So we call this strategy adding up. And I'm going to add up until I can get to this number. So let's think about how we do that. I'm going to erase this guy right here. Okay, 59. Ready? Well, plus 1 gets me 60. 60, we're going to go plus